Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this lecture, I will try to help you align and summarizing your visual strategy. From the previous session, you have already created your creative brief. Now, from your creative brief, how can you define it and construct your idea development and visualize it into a print design project? You need to know how important the research is. A research can be divided into two main parts, from the pre-creative and the post-creative. Previously, when you're creating a creative brief, you have done a research on your client's background, on your product background, and who is their customers, and who is the competitors, and what is the promises and the benefits. That can be categorized as the pre-creative research. From there, we move on to the second stage of the post-creative research. The research consists of creating visuals until the alignment of the copywriting and body copy. All require detailed research before going through the visualization process. Each decision that you have concluded in your creative brief need to be agreed upon between you and your client. By aligning each problem statement to its solution throughout the project, designers will be able to focus on the specific tasks that have been given and divided. It is important that you create your brief as detailed as you can. The poorer it is, the harder for you to ensure whether your project are aligned with the client's problem. You need to prepare a checklist where your creative brief have your client background, your product and services background, the market share, the competitors, the project objective, the media platforms, your target market, your promises benefits, the supportive propositions, the visual tone, the visual language, the visual storyline, and the inclusion and exclusion. From all the items listed are essential to complete your creative brief. However, each items need to be properly added in the details to ensure that you did not miss any information that will lead to the project's failure. It is hard to connect the dot between what our client wants and what their customer perceives. How we handle our creativity would play a significant role in ensuring that both parties have no doubts. We can't fail our client expectation, but at the same time, we need to convince their customers to create trust between them and the products or services. The application of print design is like writing a memorandum of understanding between the clients and the customers. Your creative works need to have a certain level of agreement between the clients and the customers. It is like constructing a mutual trust that will last for a long time. You will face a situation that hinders your design progress, where clients' demands will not reflect a good image to their customers. And sometimes what the customers want can't be satisfied with the client's product or services. Truth be told, you will get stuck and start to get ideas blocked. Nothing will come to mind, no ideas can be constructed, the project development will be on hold. That's why you would need a mediator that would convince both the clients and the customers to reach a mutual agreement. You could not solve everything, and you can't satisfy everyone. Know your limits and pursue what is best for both parties. You need to remember, a designer's ideas is to stop an argument. We designers need to know our role as mediators between our clients and our customers. Our clients want to make profits, while their customers wish to benefit. Our creative designs need to be clear out any misunderstanding between them, not creating one. That's why we need to design our print project in a way that can satisfy both of them at the same time. In a sense, you are trying to communicate but you want to make it interesting at the exact times that could attract your audience. It would be best to learn how to control your assets and not spark any argument that will make the project a failure. From here, we will stop our lecture and we will continue with our discussion and brainstorming session for each of the steps from guide you to help transfer your creative brief into your visualization as a series or sequential ads. Thank you.